To today's video. This is class number 2 in our yoga and exercises for knee series. In class 1, I showed you some very basic exercises and one stretch. So today we'll do the same. I will show you 4 exercises, very basic, and one stretch. So for that you'll need a chair and a blanket or a small towel, a bath towel or a small ball. Anything will work. Again, these exercises are very basic. So if you have knee pain, knee stiffness, this can be great for you. But always consult with your physical therapist first, because not all knee pain is the same, and these exercises may not be suitable for everyone. And I don't want you to keep doing something that is painful. If you keep doing that, then you're just strengthening wrong muscles. So with all that in mind, let's get started. So the exercise number 1, for that you will need a blanket or a ball or a towel, and then fold it and place it between your thighs like this. And now you're going to squeeze it and relax. Squeeze and relax. And what this is going to do is it's going to activate your muscles in inner thighs. And you will do that 10 times like this. 1, 2, keep going that for 10 times. And then that is one set, you do 3 sets. So that is your exercise number 1. Exercise number 2, you are going to squeeze and kick leg up and down like this 10 times. On the right like this, and then you do 10 times on the left, but you have to keep squeezing the blanket and lift it up and down like this. Up and down. So you do 10 times on this side, then do 10 times on this side, and that is your 1 set, and you do 3 sets. Again, if it hurts you to do this, don't do it. If it hurts on the right side, then don't do it on the right, do it on the left. People think that if I just keep doing it, it will get better. It may not. You are just going to strengthen the wrong muscles, and you may even aggravate your condition. So if it hurts on one side, just don't do that side. Keep doing your exercises, and as your body gets stronger, you might be able to do it on that side. For the other 2 exercises, I will get on the mat. You can get on the bed if you want. If you don't want to sit on the mat on the floor, you can certainly do these in your bed. For the first exercise, we'll need a small roll, very small roll like this. And now you place your knees on back. These are called quad sets. So all we are going to do is we are going to press our knee into the blanket like this and hold that contraction for 10 seconds. You can do both the knees at the same time. And then you hold that contraction for 10 seconds and do it 10 times. I'll show you one time. So I'm going to press my knees down and hold. And relax. You can even lie down and do this. I just did it sitting, but you can also lie down like this and do the same. Pressing your knee down into the small roll. You can use a small towel and put it under your knee. Now this last exercise, that's your 4th exercise, is short arc quad. We call it in the physical therapy world. Again, as a physical therapist, I know that I'll not show this exercise to everyone because knee pain can be of different origin. So you have to be careful when treating your joint pain and not do anything that is painful. So the next exercise, you are going to roll the blanket. You saw that it is a larger roll than before, and then you are going to sit like this or lie down. Either way it will work because we are going to focus on the knee. So if you're sitting, laying, it doesn't really change much. And then once you're like this, then you're going to lift your leg up and down like this 10 times, and you do 3 sets of that. And then you do it on the other side. Straight it up and down. and down. So in this one, we are focusing on our quadriceps. This is the end range of the extension. Like this is the extension of the knee, and this is the last few degrees of the extension. So we are working on that. When we did the quad sets with the smaller roll, we also worked on the quadriceps. And quadriceps is a very important muscle to strengthen when you have knee pain, knee stiffness, any issues with knee. Now I will show you one stretch for your hamstrings. So for that, you can lie down. Keep your knees bent. Then extend one leg, hold behind your thigh and just stretch. Keep your legs straight. If you have very tight hamstrings, you can keep the knee bent a little bit. But you should be able to feel a good stretch behind your thigh like this. So keep it straight. And that's it. You hold that stretch for 30 seconds. And then bring it down. Now do it on the other side. Stretch, stretch, stretch. Keep the knee straight to whatever degree you feel comfortable. If you have very flexible hamstrings, your knee might go straight and you might be able to go further up. If it is not as flexible, you might be here where I am. And it's okay. As long as you're stretching your hamstrings, you are going to notice improvement in your flexibility. So you hold each side, each stretch for 30 seconds and then you do them 3 times. So in the last video, we saw calf stretch. In this video, we saw hamstring stretch, and I will go over more stretches in the future videos. If you want more advice, if these exercises are not helping, I do offer online sessions also. So you can contact me through YouTube. Please comment below and ask me if you have any questions, because just knowing the exercises is not enough. Doing them correctly and doing correct exercises for your condition is very important. But I'm here to help. So if you have any comments or questions, please let me know. And if you want to have a detailed video of this practice, then I'm going to post it on my membership site. For that, you'll have to get the membership. But without the membership, you can still do these exercises that I just showed you. Thank you so much for joining me here today. Namaste.